Hello students, welcome to the third module of the folk tale Dick Whittington and his cat. In this lecture, we'll learn more about the life of Dick Whittington in London. In my last lecture, I told you how a poor boy moved from a village of south of England and reached in the city of London to make his fortune, right? Now let's start with the next paragraph. Next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. He wandered around begging for food, but again and again people shouted at him, "Go away, you lazy fellow! Be off with you!" and aimed angry blow at his head. At last he collapsed in street and lay there, too weak to look further for food. By chance, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. Students, in this paragraph, we are told that next morning when Dick got up, he was feeling very cold, miserable. Miserable means sorrowful or unhappy, and very hungry also. He wandered around begging for food. That means he was running here and there for the food. But again and again people were only screaming at him and asking him to go away from there because he was a lazy fellow. And some of them also hitting on his head. Finally, Dick collapsed. Collapsed means fell down because of hunger. Fortunately, Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant whose name was Mr. Fitzwarren. The cook was trying to drive Dick away when Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his ships. He stopped and said to Dick, "Why don't you work if you need food?" "I would work," said Dick, "but I know nobody who will give me anything to do." "Take him to the kitchen." Mr. Fitzwarren ordered the cook, "Feed him first and then find some work for him." Students, here we are told because Dick was fallen in front of a rich merchant's house, so the cook of the house tried to drive him away. But at the same time, Fitzwarren also returned and he looked into the matter. So he asked Dick, then why don't he work if he need food? At this, Dick answered that he wanted to work, but problem is nobody is giving work to him. So Fitzwarren looked to the cook of the house and asked to give him some food and then find some work for him. Next, so Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. Student, so finally Dick got a house to live and a work to do something. He was supposed to sleep in a small corner of the attic. Attic means a very small room inside a pointed roof. He also got a job as he has to help the cook with pots and pans, but he has two difficulties he was facing there. Come to the next para. The first was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. At night they scampered all over him and kept him awake. After a time he solved this problem by saving a few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice, and Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Explanation: his first difficulty was rats and mice which kept running here and there and kept him awake. So to solve this problem, he started saving some money and purchased a cat. And in no time, cat expelled all the mouse, and now Dick could sleep calmly. Coming to the next paragraph, the other difficulty, which was not so easy to overcome, was the cook's bad behavior or temper. She shouted and screamed all the day, and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon even when he was working as hard as he could. One night, Dick decided he could stand it no more. Early the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. Coming to the explanation, student, his second problem was difficult to deal. It was the ill behavior of the cook. She always kept on screaming him, and even sometime she also hit him with ladle. Dick was very unhappy from her behavior, so finally he decided that he want to leave this place so that he can find his luck at other place. So student, this was it for this module. Keep learning, rise and shine.